In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wise app on iPhone. By the end, you'll have the official Wise app installed and ready to go, with a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. You're looking for the blue icon with the white A. It's a good idea to make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, so the download is quick and doesn't use up mobile data. Once you're in the App Store, go to the Search tab at the bottom right and tap the search bar at the top. Type Wise and hit Search. You may see a few results, so look for the official Wise app. It should clearly say Wise as the app name and list Wise as the developer. Checking the developer is a simple way to avoid downloading lookalike apps. You can also glance at the ratings and reviews to confirm you're on the right one. Tap the Wise app in the results to open its App Store page. Here, you'll see screenshots, a short description, and the Get button. Go ahead and tap Get. If you've downloaded it before, you might see a cloud icon with a downward arrow instead. That's normal, and tapping it will re-download the app. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That's just Apple verifying that it's really you. After you confirm, the download will start. You'll see a small progress circle where the Get button was. You can stay on this page or go back to your home screen and watch the icon appear as it installs. If it seems to pause, don't worry. Just give it a moment. Slower connections or low storage can delay things, so keeping a little free space on your device helps. When the install is complete, the button in the App Store will change to Open, and the app icon will be on your home screen and in your app library. That's it. The Wise app is now installed on your iPhone and ready for you to use whenever you need it. If you don't intend to open it right away, you can come back to it later by tapping the icon like any other app. If you run into issues, like the Get button being grayed out or a message about the app not being available, make sure your iPhone is signed into the App Store, your region supports the app, and you're running a reasonably up-to-date version of iOS. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded the Wise app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new app.